Okay, got this box from Mud UK with my Defendervent. Sounds like a lot of plastic stuff on here. Alright, let's see here. Alright. It's a bunch of plastic parts, so I'm not thinking anything's broken. Alright, one Defendervent 2.0. Wow, that does sound like a lot of plastic little pieces. What we got here? Instructions. Whoa, very nice color. Alright. Set those aside. Alright, got two little pieces here. Ooh, this is cool. Well, that looks pretty flimsy, huh? This is how it comes. No padding of any kind. It's kind of weird. This doesn't really roll easily. I don't know how that's going to be easy to do. Oh, I guess it's supposed to be down like this. I guess this goes towards the vent. This opens towards us, or is it this way? You see how it's like dented here? Let's see if the other one's the same. I mean, I know this was invented by someone else, and Mud UK, I think, got the rights to it, because the people who originally invented it, their website's no longer around, to the Defendervent 2.0 site. Alright, I really hope this thing isn't a waste of money. Alright, it looks nice. It looks like they did a good job cleaning this up. Alright. Alright, this is where the money is in making this extrusion here. Alright. Okay. That looks pretty cool. It's stuck in there and there. Alright. Okay. Yeah, and it is a much larger section. Alright. Check the other one. Just making sure nothing's cracked. I mean, this was just jostling around in the box all the way from the UK. Alright. This one seems alright. Both of these seem okay. And then we get one little adapter. These are the vents for the side, for the windshield. Not for the windshield, for the side. These are the clamps for the hoses. There's two vents, one clamp, two clamp, three clamp, four clamp. and 1 strip of hose. I guess that should be enough from one of these over to the side of the vent itself. And that's it. Oh, that's... I guess these are very, very good. I hope they are. Go ahead and put this piece back here. I really hope these things work good because they don't seem to be very reliable. You know what I mean? It's like this. Like there seems like it'd be shut down completely, and then sorry, yeah, there. No, I don't remember which way it goes which. If this little lip right here goes towards the back, like towards the windshield. I'll know once I go look at the car. But it's the middle of the night now. All right, well, there it is with the instructions and the receipt. We'll try to install this in the next couple of days.